Welcome to today's video. So if you're a dentist struggling to attract new patients or frustrated with ineffective marketing, you're not alone. In this video, we are uncovering the most 5 common marketing mistakes dentists make and most importantly, how to avoid them. So by the end of this video, you'll have actionable strategies to boost your patient base and grow your practice. So let's get started. Now, before we dive into the mistakes, let's talk about why marketing is so important for your dental clinic. A strong marketing strategy not only brings in patients, but it also builds trust and brand recognition. So avoiding these common pitfalls can save you money, boost your ROI, and make your practice stand out in a competitive market. So let's start with mistake number 1: ignoring online reviews. Now, patients rely heavily on reviews to choose a dentist. Now, if your clinic lacks recent reviews or has a low star rating, it could be driving potential patients away. So the solution is actively encouraging happy patients to leave a review on platforms like Google and Yelp and respond to all the reviews, whether it's positive or negative. A simple thank you or a professional response to criticism shows that you care. Now, building a solid review profile builds trust and makes patients more likely to choose your clinic. Now, mistake number 2 is trying to target everyone. This approach wastes your marketing budget and fails to attract the right patients. So instead, always focus on your ideal audience. For example, are you looking to attract families, working professional, or retirees? Once you identify your target group, create tailored messaging that speaks directly to their needs. For instance, emphasize convenience and flexibility for busy professionals or family-friendly environment for parents. Being specific, helps your message resonate with the right audience. Now, mistake 3 is neglecting your social media presence. In today's world, inactive or poorly managed profile can harm your credibility. Patients often check your Instagram or TikTok before booking an appointment. So the solution is to always post consistently, at least 2 to 3 times a week, and share valuable content. Post content that is entertaining or education type of, and also you can post before after videos, images, and highlight patient success stories, and promote seasonal offers. A professional and engaging looking Instagram will not only attract new patient but also help you in keeping existing ones engaged. So mistake number 6 is mistake number 4 is competing on price instead of value. While it might be tempting to lower your price to attract patients, this often backfires. Low prices can attract bargain hunters who may not become loyal patients. So instead, focus on highlighting the value of your practice offers. Do you provide exceptional patient care or advanced technology or unique services? Showcase what sets you apart and what you're worth the investment, why you're worth your investment. Value-based marketing attracts patients who are more likely to stick with your practice long term. So always compete on value more than price. And finally, mistake number 7 is failing to measure your practice. So that's something people don't look into. So how do you say this? So there are softwares. For example, we use a software called Go High Level, which is white labeled, and it kind of helps us to track the marketing, everything. What are the click-through rates, or how many people are engaging in it? We can get all the data in one place, and that is something people don't do. If you're not tracking what works and what doesn't, you could be wasting money on ineffective strategies. So always use tracking to kind of see if it's working or not. Regularly review your return on investment and adjust your strategies to focus on what delivers the best results. So this ensures that every marketing dollar you spend is working for you. Now, so now that you know the mistakes, let's talk about how to avoid them. So first, create a clear and focused marketing plan. Second, prioritize patient-centric strategies like reviews, and a strong social media presence, and a personalized communication. Lastly, don't be afraid to seek help from marketing experts who can guide you towards success. So if you're ready to fix these mistakes and take your dental practice to the next level, I would love to help. Book a free strategy session with us by clicking the link in the description below. Together, we can help you create a personalized brand to attract your right target audience and boost your ROI and grow your practice. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more marketing tips, and do drop a comment below if you have any questions. And do keep in mind, we guarantee 25 prepaid appointments for your treatment every single month. So if you're interested, feel free to book a call below. Thank you.